Okay, a couple of things here to show you. This is a PRC 6, military, obviously, and it was used, designed by Raytheon, and they used them in the Korean War right up till Vietnam. And in '72, they went to what they call a PRC 77, which was a full backpack radio. This weighs about 6.5 pounds with the batteries. The newer one is like 13 pounds. But this one was set up, it's 6 meter. This one was had crystals in it for 55.2 and belonged to a fellow I used to work with at Fort Devon, so he's a silent key. But he did use them on 6 meters. They were 250 milliwatt output, and range I'm reading about is about a mile. But if you're in the jungle, it was less. So the antenna kind of resembles the tape measure antennas that we built for some of the 2 meter sets, you know, as a kit. So, and this comes off and just slides down in here. I don't have the batteries with it, but there were 4 batteries, a 45, a 90, a 22, and a 4 something. And there are plans. I was talking to one of the other fellows here, and there are plans to online to I can make a power supply for it if you wanted to keep it operational. But again, after '72, I guess some of the NATO nations still use these, but that's when they were implemented. The other thing I brought was something newer to me. It's a Kenwood TH74. And if on QST in September, they showcased the TH74. It's a tri-band radio, and you can also listen to HF on it. It's new to me. It's not a new radio, but it was used, but new to me. And I downloaded the manual, which was 100 pages. So I can't say it's that easy to go through this, to just, you know, learn the full capabilities of it. So, but I was excited to get it, and something new.
How does it work compared to the?
Yeah, a little better. Yeah, it's got the tri-band. This is kind of stuck on 6 meters. You know, you can change the crystals, but you have to do a little tuning when you do that. Any questions for anybody?
Was that originally a Motorola contract and Raytheon picked it up?
I'm not sure. It says on it that it's Emerson phono and radio. So, but they said Raytheon designed it, but it does say Emerson on here. And there was, later on, it had 13 mini vacuum tubes in it and 1 full-size one. And then in the 60s, they went solid state after that, because the tubes weren't, you know, that accurate all the time. They changed and degraded, and so. Any other questions?
Thank you, Charlie.
All right, you're welcome.